Hey there, welcome back to the Jobim Clothing YouTube channel where we give you African flair for your everyday wear. And bonus, I don't know if you guys have noticed or not, but we're giving you new uploads each and every Thursday. So you can go ahead and turn on them notifications so that you don't miss it each and every Thursday. We on time, I 10 by 10. We don't play around over here, okay? Today's video, we're discussing waist beads. It's a little mixture between Mythbusters and frequently asked questions, hopefully trying to give you a little bit more insight about waist beads, what you've heard, what's true, what's not true, what makes sense, what doesn't. You know, the internet be lying sometimes. We all know. Either which way, if that's something that you're interested in, please stay tuned.
Waist beads help you lose weight?
Do they help you lose weight? Nah. But they do help you track your weight loss. Okay? So if you're wearing waist beads for the purpose of weight loss tracking, you wear them higher, and when you're losing weight, the beads will begin to fall lower. And if you're gaining weight, well, they're going to be moving a little bit higher. But you're going to be able to tell that with where the beads are lying.
I've heard you aren't supposed to show your beads. Is that true?
That is really more personal preference, honestly. Some cultures will say, no, they're supposed to be hidden. Only you and your husband are supposed to know about these waist beads and that they even exist. However, if you're wearing it for cultural purposes like that, then yes, they should be hidden. However, if you're wearing it for yourself or as an accessory, you choose when you want to. If you want to wear them out, wear them out. If you don't, put them back, keep them hidden. The decision is really up to you.
Can they align your chakras?
Oh, your chakras. Well, I'm be the first to tell you, I only talk about what I know about personally. I'm not about that chakra life, basically. But I know that there is correlation between adding crystals to your beads. But if you're into that or you want to know more about that, you're going to just have to research that on your own. I can't really tell you yes or no on that one.
They're called waist beads, but I've seen them worn lower down by the hips. Which placement is right?
Whichever one is right for you. The only time that the position really matters is if you're wearing it specifically for tracking weight loss. If you're wearing it to track your weight loss, then you want to wear them higher up here. If you're wearing them just for fashion, you want to wear them lower around your hips. So it's about what your intentions and purposes are for wearing the beads, but the decision is up to you.
I would imagine they pop easy, right?
Who told you that?
Who said that?
Now, I can only talk about Jobim clothing beads, and I stand beside Jobim clothing beads, okay? They don't be popping. We don't use cheap materials over here. We only use A1 quality, top-notch materials at Jobim clothing, okay? And they do not be popping, okay? If they do pop, you're doing something that you probably shouldn't need to be doing. But that's none of my business. But no, in all honesty, our beads are very much high quality waist beads. I've been wearing mine for it's getting close to 2 years now, actually. They're permanent, they're tie-on. I haven't taken them off. They haven't popped. They're still in the same condition from when I put them on initially. Now, they're not made of vibranium, but if you put like extra stress on them, or for instance, if you're moving and you're trying to sit down or stand up and you don't feel them moving with you, you might want to slow down and help them out a little bit, move them up or down. But generally speaking, no, they're not going to pop. Jobim clothing waist beads, that is. I can't talk about nobody else's.
Can they actually shape your waist?
I've heard that one too before, and I can't really confirm or deny personally. Now, theoretically, the concept is that if you wear them a little bit on the snugger side, that they can help give you that hourglass shape. it'll kind of help give you, depending on where you're wearing them, if you're wearing them at your actual waist, they can give you that hourglass shape. If you wear them lower about around your hip area, it'll give you that little dip kind of in between your back and your behind, allegedly. Personally, I don't know about that because I don't wear mine that snug. So I'm not going to say yes and I'm not going to say no, but I will also say that I would not wear them just for that purpose.
Do the colors of the beads have meaning?
Well, the real question that I would ask back is, do you believe that they have meaning? If you believe that certain colors do have certain qualities, certain meanings behind them, then yes, absolutely. So, for example, this strand here, it has green. Okay, the green can represent good health. The green can represent fertility. It also has white on here. Some say white symbolizes purity. There's gold on here. Some say that gold represents power. If these are things that you want to manifest for yourself and you believe that these colors mean those things, then absolutely yes. If you're just wearing them because you just happen to like the color combination on the strand and that's, what fits you or your personality or the look that you're going for, then no, they don't have meaning. They're just the colors on the waist beads that you chose for yourself. It's all about the intentions and purposes that you're choosing to wear them for.
Is there an age limit to wear them?
No, there's not really an age limit to wearing waist beads. There are some countries in historical times that would actually put waist beads on their babies. That was a way to track their growth, to make sure that they're growing or check the rate at which they're growing. And the children would actually wear those waist beads from little tiny infant size on up to adulthood. It was just part of their way of life, their culture. So even now today, if you want to put them on your child, go right ahead. There's no age limit to it. It's all about, again, the purpose and intention for what you're wearing them for. So those were just a few of the frequently asked questions. If for whatever reason we didn't get to your own personal question, leave it down in the comments. I respond to each and every one of them. We can't get out of here without mentioning a couple things. One is we have a video on this channel that teaches you how to tie waist beads. It also answers some additional questions about waist beads. I'm going to put it up in one of the cards here at the top of the screen. Please go check that out. Think of that as part 1 and this is part 2. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you follow this page, subscribe, not follow. I don't know, social media is really hard to keep track because I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna repurpose this video, so like, follow, share. That's the basic ask on all of the content that you see. Just like, follow, share. All support is appreciated. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again next Thursday for the next video for Tutorial Thursday with Jobim. I hope you guys have an amazing day. See you later. Y'all, I forgot one last thing. If you made it this far in the video, A, thank you so much. B, new arrivals are coming next month. Not next month. What am I talking about? Next week. I'm so excited. Next week. Not this Thursday, not today, but next Thursday. New head wraps, new waist beads. It's a whole new thing. It's a whole new collection. I'm so excited. If you want to know about it first, I know it's first because I'm telling you right now, but first, official first, you need to subscribe to our email list. I'll put the link down in our description box below. Okay, bye now.